Windows, the Windows System32 folders, the good old 32 directories that we all see on Windows. Let's read some. The Windows folder, C Windows, is traditionally known as the folder which contains the Windows operating system. The folder doesn't have to reside in the C drive necessarily. It can reside in any other drive and technically can reside in a different folder. This is where environment variables, more specifically system environment variables, come into play. Even though not discussed yet, the system environment variable for the Windows directory is windir. Per Microsoft, environment variables store information about the operating system environment. This information includes details such as the operating system path, the number of processors used by the operating system, and the location of temporary folders. There are many folders within the Windows folder. See below. So if you go to the location of your PC, local disk C, this is the default location that we have here, and then Windows, you can see all the directories needed for Windows operating system. One of the many folders is System32. Inside Windows directory, we can see System32. Here we can see the contents of System32. The System32 folder holds the important files that are critical for the operating system. You should proceed with extreme caution when interacting with this folder. Accidentally deleting any files or folders within System32 can render the Windows OS inoperational. Read more about this action here. And you can see on the How to Geek website the why you should not delete directories inside System32. Note, many of the tools that will be covered in the Windows Fundamental series reside within the System32 folder. Be careful, this is extremely volatile directory, don't touch anything. But note, we will do some stuff there. Also, maybe one important thing in System32, you can see almost 4,000 items. So you can play with a lot of things or mess up a lot of things in there. Answer the questions below. What is the system variable for the Windows folder? The system variable is %win directory %. Windows directory. This is a variable. You declare a Windows variable between percentage signs.